Hi dear friends, welcome to Hardini Take. Subscribe our channel. Get more take video. Todi review Redmi Note 9 Mobile, Pro Game and MediaTek Helio G85 with MediaTek Hyperengine 48MP quad camera array with ultra wide and macro lenses, 5020 mAh fast charging battery, 22.5W fast charger in box, or a balanced design. Splash proof take, protected by P2I, 16.58 centimeters, 6.53 FHD heights. Display. The legend continues. The bold Redmi Note series provides the ultimate flagship experience, continuing the legacy of its predecessors. Pro gaming performance. The all-new Helio G85 octa-core processor delivers a powerful performance, providing a clock speed up to 2.0 GHz. The 1000 MHz GPU along with MediaTek Hyperengine enables smooth online multiplayer gameplay in HD and makes you the gaming champion. 48MP quad camera array. The beautiful quad camera setup stars a 48MP primary sensor which clicks outstanding photos in daylight and low light. The wide angle, macro and depth ensures beautiful results regardless of the scenario, making you the photography champion. Clarity that dazzles you. The outstanding 48MP main sensor helps you capture the tiniest details that would be missed by your naked eye. Panoramic beauty captured with a click with the fantastic 8MP ultra-wide sensor now capture more within a single frame with a high 118 field of view. Beautiful portraits. The 2MP depth sensor helps achieving the right amount of depth of file to deliver a beautiful bokeh effect. See the unseen. Get closer to the subject with the 2MP macro lens and capture beauty in details. Incredible battery. A massive upgrade with a bigger battery. The 5020 mAh will ensure you mileage like never before. Hail the battery champion. Music playback 171 hours calling, 34 hours continuous navigation, 14 hours gaming, 12 hours battery, 5020 mAh charging champ, 22.5W fast charger in box, 9W reverse charging. Friends running out of battery and needs a boost? Redmi Note 9 comes without fastest ever 9W reverse charge to charge multiple devices like smartphones, earbuds, smart band, etc. Display 16.58 centimeters, 6.53 FHD. Display. The large notchless display design spots the in-display selfie camera and ensures no hindrance to deliver a truly immersive viewing and gaming experience. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Hardini Take channel. Didn't miss more take video. More details and buy link attached below descriptions box. Thank you.